Hello everyone, Trideep here from Trideep Ghosh Tech. Welcome to another video, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel as I post a lot of tech videos here very frequently. Today we'll be looking at the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z headset. This has been out for a while in the market, but this is one of the best selling product in the Indian market right now. So today we'll be unboxing it and see what comes in the box, and we'll be reviewing this product from a Apple's user perspective. So let's get started. Here is the box, and it's a nice solid box with OnePlus branding, and at the back it describes the features which we will discuss later. The price written over here is 2190 Indian rupees, but it's actually available for 1999 rupees and is available via Amazon India. I have the link in the description, so just you can click the link and buy it directly from there. First, let's see what comes in the box. As you can see, I have already taken the main product out for the sake of using it so that I can give you the exact user perspective experience in this video. This is where the headphone was actually attached to. Just keep that aside, and then we have another red box which contains the USB-C charging cable and some extra ear tips for your convenience. And on the other side we have the user guide and other paperworks. Now let's take the physical overview first. The band is soft and rubbery and not hard plastic, so it will sit nicely according to the size of your neck. And on the hard plastic portion we have the OnePlus branding and the click button to connect and switch between devices. It also has a LED indicator just above that. Then we have the USB-C connector for charging. On the other side it has nothing, and these two portions should actually contain the battery. Then on the left side we can see another portion which contains the microphone hole, volume up and down keys, and one single button at the middle for accepting or disconnecting the calls. Then at the below we have the actual units with the medium size ear tips attached to it. All the ear tips has the OnePlus signature red color at the back, which looks really cool. The two units are attached magnetically, which actually works as the on-off mechanism of this device. This does not have any physical on-off button. Just separate the two ear cups and it turns on automatically, as you can see here, and just attach the bullets together like this and it turns off instantly, just like that. It's really a simple mechanism. Now let's see the connection mechanism and switching between the devices. I have my iPad and my iPhone here, and I have already paired the headphones with both of the devices. The pairing process is simple enough. Just press and hold this button and the device will pop up in the Bluetooth menu. Just tap to pair it. And let's see how the connection is done. Simply detach the bullets here, and as you can see it's connected to the last connected devices. That means in this case this is the iPad. And now simply press this button twice. Just wait a bit, and now you can see that it's connected to the other device, that's the iPhone. So this is how it switches. Now press this button twice again and the connection goes back to the iPad. So as you can see, switching to and fro between two devices is never going to be a problem. It's really easy and simple, and you can do that pretty perfectly. Now talking about the power, this device has a fabulous battery life. OnePlus says one full charge gives 20 hours of battery life, and I have found that to be true actually. During my review period, I used it for listening to music for an hour or two, watched a full movie, and later some YouTube videos. So total almost 4 to 5 hours of usage, and it still had almost 80% of battery life left. So pretty nice battery life. And this also supports the OnePlus proprietary wrap charging technology, which delivers 10 hours of listening time with just 10 minutes of charging. And even after using it for more than 3 years constantly, I didn't feel any pain in my ear. So it's really comfortable, and as the neckband is soft, it doesn't bother you at all. The device has reinforced sweat and water resistance design, so if you are a sports person or using it during the workout, you should not get bothered about using it at all. Apart from all these features, it also has a low latency mode which is very useful for gaming, but unfortunately this only works with OnePlus devices, so normal smartphone users or iPhone users might not be able to experience this. Now, the most important thing, how this headset actually sounds like. I can describe only from a general user's perspective, as I am not an audiophile, and I should say the sound is pretty well balanced. The highs and lows are equally good and clear, the mids are also okay, and the voice during the calls are crystal clear. The microphone is also very good, and the caller on the other side didn't complain for a single time. They said I was perfectly audible during calls. But as we Indians are fan of bass, this is one portion that this device lacks a bit. I am not saying at all that the bass is bad or lacking. It's absolutely not the case. But it's not bass heavy, I should say. For the iPhone user's perspective, if you use normal AirPods, you might find this a bit flat because normal AirPods sounds a bit richer than this. So the final verdict. In India, there are many iPhone users who look for some good but cheaper Bluetooth headset that actually works with the iPhone apart from the very expensive Apple AirPods, AirPods Pro or AirPods Max. So this could be a perfect companion for your iPhones, and you will get much more constant usage battery life than the AirPods as well. The connecting mechanism is simple enough, and charging is also faster. So at 1999 rupees, this is a perfect headset for people who likes to wear the headset for a long time and need to take a lot of calls throughout the days. So that was my view, guys. If you have anything to say, please write it down in the comment section below. Please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.